I'm cursing and screaming and hating inside. I'm wishing certain strangers dead. Feeling more and more like the other side, like a crusty, stale piece of bread. So dip me and swirl me and call me a girl, and slurp me and suck me dry. Sitting perfectly still on this motionless hill in my eyes, starting to cry. I've no reason to be acting out, got a life full of joy. But if I had access to a wee little pistol, I'd blow your head off, boy. Oh, the cars, they won't move, the Irish get the blues, and I'm about filled to the brim. If you invade my space, no clues, all they trade should be the living dead, my friend. It's the middle of the night and I wake to the fright of the dreams that stay jammed in my head. It's bumper to bumper, I've no time to recover, I'll just smile and drive, dying inside. So dip me and swirl me and call me a girl, slurp me and suck me dry. Sit perfectly still on this motionless hill in my eyes, starting to cry. I've no reason to be acting out, got a life full of joy. But if I had access to a wee little pistol, blow your head off, boy. I'm sitting on my own cable. I have this like little rat tail thing. I am so rock and roll. I'm a lock banger.
A lock banger.
Like if heavy metal happened in the Victorian era, like I'd like to rock. I'd like to. Okay.